get ready for blast off. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
What kind of writer are you? Do you write about your life? Right there in its or right to share information, share the expertise in your life. What kind of writer are you? Do you wish that you could fly into fantasy or write arguments for persuasion? Maybe realistic fiction. Oh my. A personal narrative is a story from your life. It's moments that you lived. Maybe you're an expert in an aspect of nonfiction, a writer of information. What kind of writer are you? Do you write about your life? Right there in its or right to share information, share the expertise in your life. Do you dream that you could be in a world made of your own, in a writer's fantasy? Is your point of view unique? Are you passionate and want to make a change? Or maybe you just want to write a story that could be real life, a tale crafted with your imagination. What kind of writer are you? Do you wish that you could fly into fantasy or write arguments for persuasion? Maybe realistic fiction. Oh my. Oh, what kind of writer are you? Do you write about your life?